What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Tommy closets. Today, I'm sharing with you some very unique and rare Tommy Hilfiger pieces that I'm adding to my collection. Let me tell you guys, I found some random stuff that I'm so shook that I found. I'm hoping you guys can see me okay with this angle. I haven't really filmed like this, like me standing up. I'm usually sitting down and just being boring. But today, I'm feeling like I have energy. I obviously drank a little too much Monster. So we're gonna chat, we're gonna hang out. I'm gonna share the new pieces that I added to my collection, and we're gonna have a Tommy Hilfiger experience. So if you're interested, keep on watching. First and foremost, I'm going to share something that I've already shared on TikTok and Instagram. If you're not following me on there, I will link them down below in my description box down there. But this piece is something that I have to say is probably one of my favorite Tommy Hilfiger accessories. This is a Y2K Tommy Hilfiger watch. I'm saying it's Y2K because obviously a charm style watch is not current. So this was, I would believe, probably from the early 2000s era. The charms are obviously a dead giveaway that this is a Y2K piece. We have a flower, we have butterflies, we have stars. I mean, does it get any more like Y2K than that? What's kind of cool though is there are diamonds on this piece. Now, I don't know if these are authentic, like real diamonds. That is something that I would have to take this to a jeweler to really find out. Unfortunately, within the listing of the auction, that was not disclosed there. But either way, I mean, this is something that it literally looks like something a Bradstall would wear, but it's Tommy Hilfiger. And I love that vibe. So I'm going to be wearing this. I don't care how feminine this piece is. When it comes to my fashion and my style, I'm very eclectic with incorporating women's and men's stuff. Obviously, I don't wear dresses, but I wear pieces like this that is bold for a man, a male, the men's is to wear. So I love it. And I'm super excited to add this to my collection. I scored this for, I believe it was 40 bucks, I think I paid for. And to me, guys, this is something that is more appealing than something everyone else has. Luckily, the watch is in amazing condition. There's a few nicks here and there, but for the most part, it is immaculate. And I love that it's silver because that is my favorite material when it comes to accessories. But also just the fact that this is so gender bending and so random, I'm a huge fan. So I'm also very, very lucky that it actually fits. I was second guessing this when it was coming to like purchasing the item. I was very much on the edge because I didn't think it would fit, but oh my God, you guys take a look. Okay, give yourself a moment. Take this in. This is a beautiful freaking watch. It doesn't actually work though, so I'm gonna need a battery for it, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I do not use watches to tell time. I don't know what human being in this era would actually do that, but I don't. Also, this is the back of the watch, which I was hoping would say the year, but it does. Oh, it's not silver, it's stainless steel. Either way, I mean, same type of ambiance, right? This is the back, and it does say stainless steel there. We have the Tommy Hilfiger logo. We have all the needs and necessities to prove that this is an authentic Tommy piece. We're gonna move on next to bags. So I actually purchased 2 Tommy Hilfiger vintage bags here. I love myself a good bag. I'm not one of those guys that stuffs everything into my pockets. If I could bring something with me to have extra space and just knowing like, hey, if I buy a little something and I wanna stuff it somewhere or not carry around a plastic bag, also for the fact that I am sustainable. That's another reason why I like bags. But this one is super cool. I like this because the color, it is black, but we also have the red accents. So like the zipper is red and navy. We have gold for the plates, which that's actually not in the greatest condition, but it's not too bad. And obviously we have the THs everywhere. This is what it looks like opened up right there. This is the inside of the big parts, but it's in honestly incredible condition. So I'm not sure if you can make make that out right there, but that is the Tommy Hilfiger logo, and the whole vibe just continues from like the outside in. And we have a thin strap. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm not ashamed to wear something of this nature. So obviously it doesn't look that great with what I'm wearing right now. Does this even zipper? I never tried yet. That was close. I was about to freak out because I paid like 25 bucks for this. But clearly it doesn't look that great with, you know, this outfit. But this is something that I feel is just cool to have. It's, you know, gender neutral because the color is very like bendy, and it's fun. I mean, tell me like that does not look good. Are you kidding me? So this is a really sick piece. I actually do own one other of this style bag. I believe it is this one right here. So, well, it's not the same, but it's very similar. Obviously, like they have pretty much the same vibe right there, but a little different. We have another bag. We have one more bag, and guys, this is one that I feel like is probably in my top 5 out of all of my Tommy Hilfiger bags. This is a bucket bag. By bucket, it literally looks like a bucket, right? Like this just looks like either a bucket or a bowling bag. Like they would have your bowling ball in. So I'm going to rock the heck out of this. I don't care who the heck is gonna judge me, but this is just such a cool piece. So obviously we have the Tommy colors, we have the THs everywhere. They have this type of rope to tighten it. Now the rope is not in the most amazing condition. As you can see, there's like tattering going on there. It's definitely aged, but I am handy enough to replace that. This hardware though is insane. So you actually hold onto it or you push it in, and that's what's gonna lock it in place. So it's very cool. It does say Tommy Hilfiger around these details right here. Tommy Hilfiger on the buttons. Like there's just insane details. I even like how the side also has a stripe, just like the front. Now the only thing is it's missing a strap. So just like the other bag had a strap, this one should have a strap on it as well. So you can wear this, you know, whether it's like that or you hold it by the handle. So I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. I do have other Tommy bags where I could just like take the strap off that temporarily and put this on. So that's obviously an option. This isn't my first bucket bag though. I have this. I have too many Tommy Hilfiger bags. This is crazy. But I also have this bucket bag as well. So as you can see, this one comes with a strap. I don't think that's gonna match this too well, but perhaps I could find one, who knows. Either way, this is really freaking sick. This is what the interior looks like. If you want to take a look there, there's the Tommy Hilfiger logo. There's how much I paid, $4.99. Are you freaking kidding me? That's crazy. And it's pretty big, it's spacious. There's another pocket right here. I have to do a deep cleanse on this. I have not done that yet, which is why it's not like put away yet. But I'm freaking says. In case you want to know what the back of the bag looks like, we'll do a 360 moment. That's the front, turning it around right to the back, which looks pretty much just like the front, except for it doesn't have the hardware piece right here. I'm obsessed, and this style bag, the bucket bag, is coming back into like current trends. So I've seen a lot of influencers and celebrities wearing this style bag, and I'm so excited to rock it come spring and summer. So I'm ready. I should have showed you this piece that I'm about to show you first because I keep like hopping over it. This is massive, but I came across this Tommy Hilfiger home piece at TJ Maxx. Now I didn't need this, and I was on the edge of like buying it, but then I thought, you know what, this is unique, and there are times when I like to film sitting down and in my closet just chilling, and I feel like this is gonna be an amazing piece for that type of moment. This is kind of like a loungy Hilfiger, I don't know what you call this. It's not a pillow, it's like a backrest. I don't know if there's a name for it. Actually, you know what? This is the tag right here. Obviously I paid $29.99 TJ Maxx kills it with their Tommy Hilfiger prices, but this is considered a bed rest pillow. So that's the Tommy Hilfiger original tag right there. It does not have what the price was on like sold at a Tommy, but I love how the handle is the Tommy Hilfiger logo, and this just screams Tommy Hilfiger. The H for Hilfiger, 1985, and this is Schirra, which is super soft. I'm pumped to be adding this to my closet. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I might even just like place it somewhere over in the corner, and when I want to film a video just hanging out and lounging, and you know, maybe I'll pull a 𝗏𝗏 and sit on the floor and do my hauls that way, which I've done before, but now we'll have that to be comfortable. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for this video, or that is it for this video. I showed you all my new pieces that I've added to my Tommy collection this week. I'm pretty much always adding new and vintage stuff to my Tommy collection on a weekly basis. It's a little obnoxious, I know, but yeah, I know I'm not the only one, and that's cool because on my Instagram page, which if you didn't know this, I have a dedicated Instagram page known as the House of Hilfiger. A lot of you guys will reach out to me and like share your collection and pieces that you came across and stuff that you think I might be interested in, and I highly appreciate that. That is honestly awesome. So the House of Hilfiger, that is my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger page. I share a lot of my collection on there, up and coming pieces. I share a lot of promotions that are going on, Tommy Hilfiger related. So if you want to follow it, be my guest, I would love it. And don't forget to hashtag and tag House of Hilfiger to be featured on the page. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to end this video. I'm actually about to enjoy my weekend. Today is Friday, thank the good Lord, and Christmas is next week, so hopefully I post this before the holiday. And yeah, until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.